Have you ever wondered why moringa is called a miracle tree? Moringa is a tree that has been revered for centuries for its incredible health benefits. Native to parts of Africa and Asia, this tree is not only resilient but also remarkably versatile. Its ability to thrive in harsh conditions and its numerous uses make it a true wonder of nature. Almost every part of the tree can be used, from its leaves to its seeds and even its roots. People use the leaves, seeds, and roots for food and medicine. Moringa is incredibly nutritious, making it a staple in many traditional diets and healing practices. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. Consuming moringa can help fill nutritional gaps in your diet, ensuring you get the necessary nutrients your body needs. Moringa contains high levels of vitamin C, which is crucial for a healthy immune system and skin health. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting longevity. Moringa also provides vitamin A, which is essential for good vision and eye health. Vitamin A helps maintain the health of your eyes and supports proper functioning of your immune system. Vitamin A supports your immune system by helping your body fend off infections and illnesses. In addition to vitamins, moringa is a good source of minerals like calcium, iron, and potassium, which are vital for various bodily functions. It contains calcium for strong bones and iron, which is crucial for the production of healthy red blood cells. Iron helps transport oxygen throughout your body, ensuring your organs and tissues function properly. Many people don't get enough iron, leading to fatigue and other health issues. Moringa can help bridge this gap by providing a natural source of iron. Perhaps most importantly, moringa is an excellent source of antioxidants. These powerful compounds help protect your body from damage. They neutralize harmful free radicals, which can cause oxidative stress and lead to chronic diseases. By including moringa in your diet, you give your body extra support. Whether you add it to a smoothie, salad, or take it as a supplement, moringa can enhance your overall health. You can better combat these harmful molecules, leading to a healthier, more energized life. Moringa truly is a nutritional powerhouse. Before we dig deeper, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing moringa recipes and tips. Adding moringa to your breakfast is easy and delicious. You can enjoy its benefits from the very start of your day. One simple way is to incorporate moringa powder into your smoothies. Add a teaspoon or two to your favorite smoothie recipe. It blends in easily. You'll gain a boost of nutrients without altering the taste significantly. Another great option is to sprinkle moringa powder onto your pancakes or waffles. The subtle, earthy flavor complements the sweetness perfectly. You can even mix some moringa powder into your pancake batter before cooking. This will give your breakfast a nutritional boost. Moringa can easily become a staple of your lunchtime routine. Salads are a great way to incorporate more greens into your diet. Simply chop fresh moringa leaves and toss them in with your other vegetables. They add a slightly peppery, spinach-like flavor. This will enhance the taste of your salad. If you prefer soup, moringa can be added to that as well. Stir a teaspoon of moringa powder into your soup during the last few minutes of cooking. This will add a boost of nutrients and flavor. When it comes to dinner, moringa can be just as versatile. One delicious way to incorporate it is by adding it to stir-fries. Moringa leaves wilt quickly. Add them during the last few minutes of cooking to retain their nutrients and vibrant green color. You can also sprinkle some moringa powder into your stir-fry sauce for an extra nutritional boost. Moringa can even be incorporated into your favorite pasta dishes. Simply stir a teaspoon or two of moringa powder into your pasta sauce. It pairs well with both tomato-based and cream-based sauces. You can also sprinkle some chopped fresh moringa leaves on top as a garnish. Snack smart with moringa. Snacking doesn't have to be unhealthy. Easily incorporate moringa into your snacks for a healthy boost. Moringa energy balls are a fantastic option. Made with moringa powder, dates, nuts, and seeds. They're easy to make and provide sustained energy, thanks to the protein, fiber, and healthy fats they contain. For a warm and comforting snack, moringa tea is an excellent choice. Steep moringa leaves in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Enjoy it plain or add a touch of honey or lemon for sweetness. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Choosing the right moringa for you. Moringa is available in various forms, each offering unique benefits and ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. This variety allows you to choose the one that best suits your needs and preferences, whether you are looking for convenience, versatility, or a fresh addition to your meals. Moringa powder is a popular option among health enthusiasts. It is made from dried and ground moringa leaves, preserving the nutrients and making it easy to use. Moringa powder is incredibly versatile and can be seamlessly integrated into a variety of dishes. It can be added to smoothies, soups, sauces, and even baked goods, enhancing the nutritional value of your meals without altering the taste significantly. If you're looking for a convenient way to incorporate moringa into your diet, moringa powder is a great option. Fresh moringa leaves are another fantastic option for those who prefer whole foods. They have a slightly peppery spinach-like flavor, which can add a unique twist to your dishes. You can add them to salads, stir-fries, and soups, making them a versatile ingredient in your kitchen. If you have access to fresh moringa leaves, they are a delicious and nutritious way to enjoy this superfood. For those who prefer a more convenient option, moringa capsules are also available. These are perfect for people who are always on the go. These capsules typically contain moringa powder, offering the same benefits in a more portable form. This makes it easy to get your daily dose of moringa without any preparation. However, it's important to choose a reputable brand to ensure you're getting a high-quality product. Make sure the capsules contain pure moringa without any fillers or additives. This ensures you receive the full benefits of this powerful superfood. Incorporating moringa tips and tricks. When incorporating moringa into your diet, start slowly. Begin with a small amount and gradually increase your intake. This will help prevent any digestive discomfort. Moringa has a slightly earthy flavor. It can be an acquired taste for some. If you find the taste too strong, combine it with other flavors. Try adding it to smoothies, soups, or sauces to mask the taste. Store moringa powder in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. This will help preserve its freshness and potency. Fresh moringa leaves should be stored in the refrigerator and used within a few days. A word of caution. While moringa is generally safe for consumption, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Some people may experience digestive issues like gas, bloating, and diarrhea. This is especially true when consuming large amounts of moringa. Moringa may also lower blood pressure and blood sugar levels. If you're on medication for these conditions, consult your doctor before adding moringa to your diet. Pregnant women should avoid moringa due to its potential uterus-stimulating properties. As with any new dietary change, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Embrace the power of moringa. Moringa is a true nutritional powerhouse. Known as the miracle tree, it has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its incredible health benefits. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, moringa supports overall wellness and vitality. From boosting your immune system to protecting against chronic diseases, moringa is a valuable addition to any diet. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce the risk of conditions like heart disease and diabetes. By incorporating moringa into your daily routine, you're taking a proactive step towards better health. Start your day with a moringa smoothie or add it to your favorite dishes for a nutritional boost. Moringa can enhance your energy levels, improve digestion, and even support mental clarity. Whether you prefer it in smoothies, salads, soups, or snacks, there are countless ways to enjoy the benefits of this superfood. Try adding moringa powder to your baking recipes or sprinkle it over your favorite snacks for an extra health kick. Embrace the power of moringa and experience the transformative effects it can have on your health. Share it with your family and friends and make it a part of your communal meals. Remember to start slowly, experiment with different forms and recipes, and listen to your body. Moringa can be enjoyed in many forms, from fresh leaves to powder and even capsules. With its impressive nutritional profile and versatility, moringa is a gift from nature that can help you live a healthier, more vibrant life. Embrace it fully and let it nourish your body and soul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos.